Alright, what's up everyone? I'm going to be doing a cold start on my Nissan GT-R. So here's my car. Again, it's a 2011. Right now it's full bolt-on E85, and I have the HKS Legomax exhaust, then HKS non-resonating mid-pipe, and Speed by Design downpipes. So here's a cold start. It's on E85 right now, so might be a little chuggy. Pretty happy with my setup. It sounds really well. It's not too loud, but it's loud enough. Once you get on it, it sounds amazing. And when you're cruising around, it doesn't drone much. You can have a conversation. Pretty happy with it. Alright guys, well let me know if you have any questions or if you guys want to see any more clips. But that's it for now.